Final question from the mailbag this week today. I'm worried about AI making my content sound like everyone else's. How do I keep my voice? It's a little bit like the first one. I think there's some overlap there, but
Yeah.
worth answering, I think.
So I'm not going to rehash the give it context thing, give it examples. That's the biggest thing here. But the other thing is, we mentioned this earlier too, iterate. If you get something back that you are unhappy with, don't just give up. Don't assume that it can't do what you want it to do. Ask for it to fix the parts of it that you don't like. Like if it used words that you don't like, tell it like, "Hey, I don't talk like this." And I talk to my assistant very casually. I'll be like, "I don't talk like this. Like, you know how I talk. Look at the things I've actually written in the past." And sometimes I'll ask like, "Why did you do this? Why did you include this thing?" And it'll tell me something, so that can say like, I can say, "Don't do that in the future," or "Do this instead." You know?
Yeah. Chances are, like for most of us, you're not just starting. You've written stuff. Feed everything you've written to it, and let it start there and learn there right out of the gates.